To fix the Instagram Reels lag problem, start by opening the Instagram application and navigating to the Settings and Privacy section. This can be done by clicking on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then selecting the three-line icon at the top right corner and choosing Settings and Privacy. From there, scroll to the bottom of the page and ensure the auto-update feature is enabled. Next, go to the mobile device's settings. Click on the search icon and search for apps or directly find the Instagram application. Once found, select it and proceed to the application info page. On this page, scroll down and select Storage, then click on the Clear Cache button. After clearing the cache, select Clear Data and confirm by clicking Delete. This process will restore the Instagram application to its default state, and you will need to log in again from the start if the lag issue persists. Another option is to uninstall the Instagram application from the Play Store. To do this, search for Instagram, select it, and choose the Uninstall option. Confirm the uninstallation. Then click the Install button to reinstall the application. By following these steps, the Instagram Reels lag problem should be resolved.